Prior to filing with the DMV, we recommend you seek an attorney to try to resolve your case through a direct claim with a manufacturer first. We have heard horror stories about DMV processes taking 6 months or even a year. We try to get results in far less time than that. If we are unsuccessful, then it may be time to go to the DMV. That process includes filing a complaint, negotiating with the manufacturer, and ultimately a hearing with a DMV hearing examiner. That examiner can order a refund, a replacement, or that the vehicle be repaired. When necessary, we will go through these processes, but our strong preference is to work directly with the manufacturer to get a more expeditious result. However, in some circumstances, such as when a vehicle is approximately 2 years old or has 24,000 miles on it, statutes of limitations may come into play, necessitating that you should file a case with the DMV more quickly to protect your lemon law rights.